Hey everybody, Ever here from TechNave.com. We're here in London. We're gonna check out the Honor 20 series. So let's go. So first things first, the Honor 20 Pro sports a 6.26-inch all-view display. The controllable camera configuration consists of a 48 megapixel for the main sensor, and there's a 16 megapixel for the super wide angle lens, 8 megapixel telephoto going up to 30 zoom, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. The AIS Super Night mode also makes a return, and now it can shoot in a super wide angle lens. The XO mark gave the phone 111 points, not because of the camera alone, but also the OIS on its main and telephoto lens as well. Playing games won't be a problem at all with the GPU Turbo 3.0. Besides that, it's powered by the Kirin 980 chipset, going up to 8GB of RAM and a 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. Last but not least, the Honor 20 series will have a starting price of 499 euros. That's roughly about 2.3k in Malaysia ringgit. Will that be the final price? We don't know, but stay tuned for this Thursday on the 23rd. Will be a launching event and we'll be there to check it out. So stay tuned for future reviews and news at TechNave.com. Wow!